Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to see who viewed our story on Facebook that are not friends. And in order for us to see who viewed our story on Facebook that are not friends, all you have to do is watch this video and we're going to show you an easy way on how to see who viewed our story on Facebook that are not friends. And as of my last update, Facebook doesn't provide a feature that allows users to see who viewed their story if the viewers are not friends with the user. The viewing of the story on Facebook is typically limited to friends and connections, and the platform does not offer a built-in feature to see the identities of non-friend viewers. It's important to note that Facebook features and privacy settings may have been updated since, so I recommend checking Facebook official help resources or community forums for the last information on this type of a topic. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.